guys, today I will reveal my secret of guitar improvisation or spontaneously play nice melodies. Like that, it's spontaneous. But for beginner, it's also possible for you to try to do this because it's a matter of appreciation, listening and focus. And you don't need any technical skill actually to pick this and make a good sound, yeah. And for you who already take a private guitar lesson with me, this is a reminder for you to practice, and you already know this thing that I will share with you all. So there are many ways you can do this thing, and this is my favorite way of playing spontaneous melodies on guitar. And this is practically what I also do in other instruments like saxophone, drums, and etc. The main idea is to feel the sound. So let's say, for example, I hit this string, the first string. So I'm not thinking about what's the name of this string. Is it the first or E or B or whatnot? But I try to listen and feel. And then I try to make a decision where I will go after this. Let's say I take decision to go here. Then I try to introspect, I try to listen and feel the sound and predict which way I should go to continue the sound, continue the melody. So that's one way, or that's how I do it. And what you can do practically to practice that is the same. You can try to feel when you play, when you try to explore sound on your guitar, on your piano, on everything. Try to imagine and predict which is the note that you need to take, and try to be brave to make decision. Sometimes maybe you feel that your decision is not so pleasant for music, but that's okay. It means that you have a good sense of assessing which one is nice, which one is not nice, which sounds good, which sounds bad. Be brave, be confident with your decision, and focus on trying to feel the sound, listen and focus and imagine.